Students, again I came with a problem which is requested by a student. So now let us see the problem. An examination was given to 50 students at college A and to 60 students at college B. At A, the mean grade was 75 with a standard deviation 9, and at B, the mean grade was 79 with a standard deviation 7. Is there significant difference between the performance of the student at A and those at B? Okay, so they are asking us to find out the difference between student A and student B mean grades. Okay, and they gave the level of significance at 0.05, in the sense what, 5%, or else we can treat it as a 95%. Okay, so now let us see how to solve this problem. So first we have to write the given values. So given that, what are the values they gave? So here an examination was given to 50 students. 50 students in the sense what? So that is nothing but sample size. So n1 equals to 50, and next here one more will be n2 is 60 here. Okay, so n2 is 60, and next mean grade in the sense what? X1 bar. This is X1 bar, that means it belongs to A. The mean grade was 75. Okay, that means X1 bar is 75. Next X2 bar is 79. See here, at B the mean grade was 79. So X2 bar is 79, and the next is standard deviation they give, no? So standard deviation is denoted with sigma 1. So sigma 1 how much? 9. And next one more will be, that is sigma 2 equals to how much? 7. Okay, so now we have to calculate the difference between mean grades of college A and college B. Okay, first we will write the null hypothesis. So null hypothesis, so it is denoted with what? It is denoted with H naught. So null hypothesis, we have to treat it as x1 bar equals to x2 bar. That means what? The mean grades of college A and college B are equal. Okay, are equal. So symbolically how we can write H naught such that x1 bar equals to x2 bar. Okay, so next alternative hypothesis. So alternative hypothesis is denoted with H1. So alternative hypothesis is controversy for null hypothesis. That means what? Here we have taken equals to. So in alternate what we have to take is, we have to take it is not equals to, we have to write the statement. Okay, so the mean grades of college A and college B are not equal. So that is nothing but H1 such that x1 bar not equals to x2 bar. Yeah, next is level of significance. So they gave already in the question, the level of significance we have to take at 0.05. So 0.05 is also called as 5%. So here which test we have to use? See, there are two methods. Here they are asking us to test the two means they have given. Okay, so in order to test the two means, we are having t distribution and also z test. Or, okay, that means normal distribution. Okay, so which test we have to use? So it depends on the sample size. Okay, if you look here, the sample size is 50 and 60. That means what? It is greater than 30. So last sample should be great. If it is greater than 30, it comes under what? Z test. Okay, so now we are going to use which test? Z test. Why? Because here the sample size is greater than 30. If the sample size is less than 30, at the time we have to use which test? T distribution we have to use. T test we have to use. So now we are going to use which test? Z test. Okay. Why? Because here the sample size is greater than 30. Okay. Yeah. The level of significance. The level of significance at 0.05 is 1.96. Okay, that means what? Z table equals to 1.96 at 0.05, or else we can say that it has a 5%. Okay, now test statistic, we have to write a formula. Test statistic is nothing but, here comes formula. So test statistic, the formula is Z equals to mod of x1 bar minus x2 bar by square root of sigma 1 square by n1 plus sigma 2 square by n2. Okay. That follows normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 1, or else this formula we can write in another way, that is Z equals to mod of x1 bar minus x2 bar by square root of s1 square by n1 plus s2 square by n2. So instead of sigma 1, sigma 2, you can also use S1 and S2. Okay. So now we'll substitute the values. Okay. So what is x1 bar? So x1 bar in the sense 75, x2 bar in the sense 79. So 75 minus 79 square root of S1 square. What is S1? S1 in the sense nothing but, as I told you, that we can use sigma 1 or else S1, S2 also you can say. So S1 is 9. Okay. So 9 whole square by n1. What is n1 here? They have given 50. Okay. So 50 plus S2. What is S2? 7. So 7 whole square by, what is n2? N2 60. Okay. Yeah. Now we have to solve this one. Let me show you how to solve. Yeah. 75 minus 79. So equals to how much? So Z equals to minus 4 by square root of 9 square. 9 square. 9 square divided by 50. How much? 1.6200 plus here 7 square divided by 60. So that equals to 0.8167. Okay, now we have to add these both. So minus 4, mod of minus 4 square root of, so 1.6200 plus 0.8167. So that equals to how much? 2.4367. Okay, now we have to divide with, and we have to find out square root also. So minus 4 square root of 2.4367 equals to 1.5610. Now we have to divide it with minus 4. Okay, so 4 divided with 1.5610, that equals to 2.5625. Anyway, here we are having mod. So negative value will be vanished. Okay. So now the calculated value is how much we got? Z calculated equals to 2.5625. Okay. So this is Z calculated. So now we have to write the conclusion. So what is the conclusion? First we have to write Z calculated value equals to 2.5625. Z table equals to how much we got here? 1.96. So Z table value is 1.96. So what is the condition here? Z calculated is greater than Z table. So when it is greater, Z calculated value is greater. At that time what we have to do is we have to reject the null hypothesis. Okay? Reject the null hypothesis. Reject the null hypothesis. Null hypothesis in the sense what? H naught. And what we have to do is we have to accept alternative hypothesis. Accept H naught. So that means what? This statement is wrong. The mean grades of college A and college B are not equal. Okay, that means this statement is correct. Okay, hope you all understand. So keep on watching. And if you like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.